In today's video tutorial, guys, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix AI not showing on Snapchat. As you can see, it's a really common issue here in Snapchat. So first things first, guys, for you to enable to access the AI, you have to open the Snapchat app. And you must swipe to the side to see the AI person or avatar right up to the top of your chat, and must be the first thing to appear up there. And if you don't see any AI avatar, well, that it simply means that you still don't have it. And as you all know, this is the AI avatar, what looks like right onto the chats. Right now, you may now search for a person's name by clicking here, and you can search for chats by typing here. And if you search for my AI and nothing comes up, as I mentioned before, it just simply means that you still don't have it yet. So that's another thing you'll have to wait for. So, in order to fix that, the first thing you need to do is go to your App Store, and if you use Android, you're able to see it on Google Play. And if you wish to upgrade your Snapchat application, such as if it is out of date or you only updated it a couple of weeks ago, a lot of things may change, and it's possible. So you simply need to bring it up to date, and odds are that'll be the way. Also, as you all know, my AI is still being sent out. So not everybody who hasn't had it yet is available or feasible to everybody. So, if you already have it, keep in mind that you will most likely end up disappointed at some point. But the way it is now is to wait until it appears. And I think the best thing you need to do is basically go on Snapchat as much as you can, and just check whether you end up getting it. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. So just be patient, keep refreshing the feed, and you might one day end up getting it or seeing it. If you didn't get it after a few days, you can always try reinstalling Snapchat. So go ahead and install or reinstall app, and it could work. To give you some perspective, whenever Snapchat releases a new feature, I'm always one of the very last individuals, I don't know, to get it up to date. It's gonna be annoying, especially when Snapchat got dark mode and a few other things. So you just have to kind of wait it out, and it's gonna be annoying, but that's all you have to do here.